कैसे हो भाई लोग? सब बढ़िया ना? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I'm really excited today to show you my new DJI Osmo Action camera, just delivered from Amazon sometime before, and I'm going to unbox this product. This will be a quick video. ओपन करते हैं और दिखाते हैं आपको. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Here is the product which just came from the Amazon. You can see here it's Amazon. तो इसको ओपन करते हैं और दिखाते हैं आपको कैसा है, क्या है प्रोडक्ट. ओके, तो सेम कैच बाहर नहीं काटेंगे. Here is the product from DJI Osmo. ओपन करते हैं, दिखाते हैं क्या है अंदर में. Here is the box. The product came in a very sturdy box. Okay, the box is very sturdy, and here just going through some of the points, means some of the features of this product. This product can actually record 4K video in HDR mode, and it can resist the water up to 11 meter under the water. This also actually has this rock steady mode, and also it can capture the video in 8x 1080p. Apart from that, it actually supports USB-C port. तो फाइनली इसको मैंने खोल लिया और आप देख सकते हो. Here is the camera. It looks really nice. और देखते हैं अंदर में क्या क्या दिया है. Okay, it comes with a casing. It looks really nice. Here are the other stuffs. Here is some paperwork. DJI Osmo guide, which is basically in English and also in, I think, I don't know which language, probably Chinese or Japanese. Here is some other paperwork too inside. This is a mount for, I think it will be fit in the helmet. This is a 3M tape here. Here is another mount. Here is a USB cable and one screw mount is here. All the products are really nice. This is a battery which comes in a case. This is the battery. All the stuffs are basically in Chinese and in English. You can see the DJI branding here. So coming back to the main thing, this lens is actually replaceable. You can actually replace this lens. You can open this lens. This can be removable one. This is the one of the main advantage of this particular product. You can actually open this case by just clicking here. Here is the product. I just open this case. Now gently pushing this thing backwards. तो ये है छोटा सा नन्हा सा कैमरा, but it's really powerful one. Here is the on off button and here this one is the shutter button. नीचे में यहाँ पे है बैटरी and this setup is really easy. Just need to put the battery like this way. Just click it. Gently click it. You can hear one sound once you click, and just click on this thing to remove the battery again. तो आज के लिए इतना ही था. इसको यूज़ करते हैं और आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में इसका रिव्यू तो पता ही चल जाएगा. आप लोग देख भी पाओगे कैसा है इसका क्वालिटी, कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. इट्स अ वर्ल्ड वाइड प्रोडक्ट, सो आई एम होपिंग दैट इट विल बी परफॉर्मिंग ग्रेट. और वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग ज़रूर बताइए. आप लोग ये प्रोडक्ट को ज़रूर खरीद सकते हो. दिस प्रोडक्ट अपने पैसों से ख़रीदा है, किसी ने स्पॉन्सर नहीं किया. तो आप लोग ये प्रोडक्ट खरीद सकते हो. बाज़ार में जितनी भी सारी एक्शन कैमरास हैं वो मैंने रिव्यू करने के बाद ही ये प्रोडक्ट को ख़रीदा है. तो एक्चुअली विद द कैमरा it's really light one if you compared with any of the DSLRs or some kind of the mirrorless cameras. So this product is really light and very small, you know. This product is really small and you can hold within your two fingers. So it's really a small one. तो तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं और इसको रिव्यू हम ज़रूर इन डेप्थ रिव्यू लाएंगे. तो तब तक के लिए अच्छे रहिए. मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अच्छे रहिए. तब तक के लिए बाय.